Internet. I'm out here just really going to get some water. I actually had some things to sell that sold on Parchmark, and I was going to take them to the post office, but the post office was closed. So I said, let me take the time to, since I'm already out here, to show everybody what's going on out here. This is day one of the snow that we just got here on Monday. It's roughly 10:46 in the morning, and I don't have a truck or anything like that. I just have a regular SUV, but it does have all-wheel drive. I'm also a well-seasoned driver. For many that don't know, I've been driving since I was 6 years old. Yes, 6 years old, because we had a lot of land, and I grew up driving riding lawnmowers. So they were stick shift. My car's in stick shift, or my SUV is in stick shift, but I'm like I said, well-seasoned driver. But I just wanted to come on and let people know what the road conditions are. I'm gonna get this as soon as I get back home. I'm going to just quickly put it on. It's not going to be very edited. I filmed in time-lapse earlier. I'm not sure if you were able to, see, right now I'm sliding. If you were able to see, a lot of the bigger pickup trucks were sliding when they would turn on the road. A quick tip for you all that are maybe not as experienced or new to driving: instead of stopping with your brakes, try to stop by downshifting your car. That's also a good tip. It's really slick out here, because even me, I'm sliding now. Well, I wasn't sliding before, so I don't think they've touched this road, and this is a major road. This is Landover Road. Anyone familiar with PG County area? And yeah, so like I said, I slowed down the video from time lapse just so you all could get a real feel for what is going on out here, and also so I can speak with you and let you know my thoughts on the snow and the road conditions. It seemed like yesterday I was out a bit, and it seemed like we were pretty prepared in the amount of salt that I saw on the road, but at the same time, you know, I would like to see more trucks out here. I do see trucks with snow plows in front, but I think that they're private vehicles. I haven't seen any government vehicles yet, but I think the rule, if I'm not mistaken, is they have to wait for the snow to stop falling. So that may be the condition. There's a car coming up behind me. I'm just filming with my phone, so I don't have any webcam or anything like that. Another key is to try to avoid vehicles, because not everyone can drive. And when people slide, they can slide into you. So I am getting off at this exit anyway. But I got over a little earlier just because I didn't want the cars that were coming up behind me to come too close. And this is where people usually skid, is getting onto a road because you're coming from a turning position. But I have to move with grace, as also with purpose, because there is a plow behind me coming on from another entrance. And yeah, none of this look like it's been done. I don't even see any tracks, and this is pretty much all ice underneath. So again, we're gonna just take our time. One thing I can say for Metro Access, they don't play, they out here. Alright, so I'm downshifting my car just to give you all perspective. And turning. See, very minimal skidding. No skidding at all with that. And we do have a few circles, or roundabouts as some people call them, coming up ahead. And actually I might avoid the big ones. Well, I have the ones that I have to take. But I'm gonna go on the side so I don't have too much circles, because that can be kind of chaotic in the norm when you have to, get over and get out of the way. See, this is a pure sheet of ice. I'm not sure if you can see underneath at the bottom. Again, downshifting. I should have did it a little earlier, but it's okay. We're gonna have a little ski with this one. Oh, we didn't slide. Okay. So see, we have to go around. And you have to take time to let the other vehicles in. And I'm right now in second gear. As soon as I pass where this car can come, I'm gonna kick it back up to drive. Okay, I can drive. Slow down and let this car pass, because like I said, for me, I know, but I don't know how other people's driving skills are. So we're trying to avoid people as much as possible. Shifting again, down, because I know it's a little curve coming up. I don't want to use brakes. A lot of this I'm driving with my foot off the gas, just to let it drift. And anybody that hasn't or has been following my Dr. Sabi journey with Honduras, I'm actually back. I try to film a little bit after I've come back. But this morning I just made a really good sea moss smoothie with some banana, peaches, and a little bit of berries and sea moss. And that's the main reason why I'm coming to the store. I'm out of spring water. The last time I went to the store, they didn't have the 5 gallons, so I bought like a 24 pack of bottled water. But I drink a lot of water, so I do need to get some more water. So I'm running here to the grocery store. And I'm about to do something illegal. Yes, I'm doing it on camera. I'm breaking a circle. I'm supposed to go around, but I'm not doing that. And I'm gonna park over here, because then that way I don't have to cross anything with the cart or anything. I could just come with the cart and go right here. So I'm gonna back in, because it's easier to load the back. So I have successfully arrived, and I may video on the way home as well. Okay, back on the road again. The store expectedly was pretty empty. It's actually a really good time to grocery shop if you don't like people or you're an introvert like myself and try to avoid people as much as possible. But the people are very nice. That's why I like Wegmans. Like I said, I just went and got gallons of water, a 5-gallon thing. I think there's actually a little smaller, like 4-gallon or so of water. But it's also a good workout to put things in a shopping cart that are heavy and push it across a snowy, icy sidewalk. It's almost like the sled at the gym, a weighted sled. So I got a little workout in there. Didn't bust a sweat though. Special thanks, so big ups to my personal trainer. And now we're back on the road. Oh, we're still in this is Woodmore Shopping Center parking lot. All right, truck, what you gonna do? See a stay at one of the shops. Give him the right of way for sure. Actually, it's better if I move up. It's more space. Because if that thing starts sliding, we over there in the gully. Time lapse because I don't have much else to say.